Hey, do you ever feel like your mixes just sound a little bit too harsh or brittle, or maybe you have the opposite problem and they just sound a little too boomy or muddy? If that's the case, I have what may be a simple solution for both of these problems. Hi, I'm Reagan Ram with OrpheusAudioAcademy.com, and today I'm going to show you a plugin by Baby Audio called Smooth Operator. So if you click in the description below, you'll find a link that'll take you to the website here for Smooth Operator, and you can get a free trial if you want to try it out yourself and see if it's something you like. And if you decide it is something you want to get, you can actually get 10% off when you use my code OAA at checkout. So Smooth Operator is billed as an intelligent signal balancer. So in other words, it's trying to help you create cleaner, clearer mixes. So here they say it's an intelligent plugin that brings out clarity and eliminates harsh resonances, adapts to your audio in real time, and automatically combats fatigued frequency areas. Lets you creatively sculpt and shape your tonal balance without nasty artifacts. So basically it is resonance suppression, spectral compression, and equalization all wrapped into one tool. So it sounds like it's working on basically tamping down some certain harsh frequencies or harmonics, also compressing those, and then also apply some EQ. All right, I really like this plugin on drums, so we'll give that a listen now. So you can see it's definitely tightening things up. It's making them clearer. You're hearing the high end with the hi-hats and everything cutting through a lot more. You're not hearing as much boominess. And so depending on what you're going for from your drums, this might be something you want to use. Let's check out the solo here so we can actually maybe hear more of what's going on. I didn't mean to move this, so let's hit solo. So you can hear it's really turning down the volume or really compressing the drums there. So maybe if you find that's a little bit too weak, we could turn this up a bit here. It brings a little bit more of the boom back. And then you have this focus tool here. So if it's all the way 100%, then each band is just going to affect what it is affecting, what it's on. And if it's less focused, then there'll be more overlap, basically, of the bands. I probably explained that horribly. Yeah, the focus slider controls how surgically Smooth Operator works. At 100%, each frequency spike is processed independently, while lower focus values will give you a broader response. There we go. I'm taking a broad sweep here at the drums. And overall, I think it makes them sound better, makes them sound cleaner, not as boomy, not as muddy. So that's really nice. Speaking of smoothness, if you want to be smooth too, like Smooth Operator, be sure to hit the like button on this video. Too cheesy. I haven't tried this on vocals yet, but why not? Let's throw it on some vocals.
All the stars have let me down. Now I'm starting to break down.
Not bad. As you can see, it's definitely taking out a lot in the 1K to 5K range. 1 to 2, really 1 to 2K is really where you're going to have most of that harshness. Let me just pull this down a ton. We'll hear what that does.
All the stars have let me down. Now I'm starting to break down. All the stars have let me down.
It's definitely cleaning it up. It's definitely making it brighter and cleaner without being too harsh. So really nice sound. Now, I think I might have used this on my mix bus too. I used it on a bus that has all my instrument tracks on it separately from all my vocals. So we'll listen to that. And this is really interesting. There's a big cut here at around 5K, but it's a very narrow band. And this is apparently the mix bus preset. So we'll hear what this sounds. I would assume this is to kind of make room for the vocals, but we don't want it to be cutting out too much. So we'll hear what this sounds like. So yeah, you can see it's not doing too much because not a lot is being taken out, but it's just a very focused band right around just shy of 5K. It looks like, because that's really where you want your fundamental frequency of your vocals to kind of sit and poke through. Audio gain would be really nice because I found this out. I guess I could use my mouse wheel, but I find this very touchy. It's a little hard to set exactly right. I guess I could type it in, or I guess not. Auto gain would be really nice. It's a little tedious, but it's a pretty simple plugin. To say it's tedious is kind of a nitpick. So you can see here, it's definitely cleaning it up a lot because you're right. You're taking out around what, 350 here. Yeah, 335 hertz by quite a bit. Maybe we don't do quite as much. Move this up just a slight. So just a slight curve for the whole mix is really nice because, yeah, you want to get rid of that mud. You want to leave room for the vocals. So that's why I kind of put this on just the instruments. And it's definitely cleaning it up really nice, and if you use it in a subtle way. Definitely makes the high end a lot crispier, which is kind of not really crispier, but clearer without being too harsh, which is what you want in, you know, modern pop music. So I really like this a lot. I plan on using this for most of my mixes going forward, if not all, because it's just a really nice way. Because right, you can dial in your EQ, your compression, and all that stuff, and get it sounding really good. But sometimes it feels like there's just something missing, and this kind of just creates like a mold to push your sounds in the right direction. You want to go, hey, this is kind of like the mold that I want, the template for what I want things to sound right for my instruments, right? And so using it subtly in that way, or, you know, you can use it more extreme as an effect on other, you know, individual tracks and stuff. But anyway, yeah, I really like this plugin. You can tell me what you think in the comments below. If you want to try this out for yourself, just go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/smoothoperator. And again, if you do decide to purchase this, just be sure to use my code OAA at checkout, as that will give you 10% off your purchase. And that is my affiliate link, by the way, so I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and that goes a long way towards supporting the channel. By the way, if you want to check out another plugin that's great for gluing together your mix and adding tape saturation to your tracks, then just click on my video on the screen right now. Otherwise, have an awesome day and keep creating.